The Seconda 1939 watch combines a 42mm round-shaped metal alloy case and black leather strap with a traditional buckle. The watch is also available in version with black dial and metal straps. The Seconda 1939 I'm showing you today has a matte white analog dial with two silver luminescent hands and a red second tracker. Date is at position 12, which is protected beneath mineral crystal glass. Power is generated by quartz movement. To set the time in Seconda 1939, the crown should be pulled all the way. Once the crown is in correct position, it ought to be rotated until the hands display the precise time. In order to set the date, the crown should be pulled by one click and turned clockwise or anti-clockwise to set the current day. Once any adjustment have been made, the crown should be returned to its original position. If you'd like to check this watch for yourself or thinking about getting one, there's an Amazon affiliate link in this video description. Okay guys, if you enjoyed that video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you won't miss when the next video comes out. I'll see you next week. That was Adam and you watched Family Pop TV YouTube channel.